Good morning, Tom.
Morning.
Where are we?
Currently at Kennall Vale Woods.
Is that like a doghouse with a sheet over it?
No.
How do you know that's where we are? Oh yeah, bit of a clue in it.
Those prescription glasses aren't doing you a great deal.
They're not. So apparently this place started off as a gunpowder works. And that was in, yeah, it made me laugh this. It was 1812 and then they closed it in 1910. So that was only 2 years off their centenary. If they'd have made it to the centenary, do you think they'd have had a fireworks display? What do you reckon, Tom?
Business would have been booming if they did.
Yeah, so it's quite historic place, this. Quite interesting because it's not just a case of a woodland, which in itself, as you can see, is very, very pretty, but also there's lots of abandoned old buildings. What's left of them. Are you scared?
I wouldn't say so.
Well, apparently it's quite haunted.
It's all myths, isn't it?
Myths and legends, I guess. Well, apparently 1838 there was a huge explosion here and 5 buildings went up consecutively. The 5 buildings that exploded, one guy was killed. But apparently people have seen a dark shadow walking between the buildings. Alright, let's find the buildings and see whether we can find the dark shadow. Are you going to scream like a little girl if you see a dark shadow? So one of the abandoned buildings that we were talking about. Tom? Tom?
Yeah?
Where are you?
Hello.
What are you doing up there?
I'm trying to get in.
Quite a lot of weird and wonderful structures going on. Quite a lot of weird and wonderful graffiti going on. Anyway, I wonder what that was for.
Not a clue.
Apparently up here somewhere is the old toilet block. Can't exactly remember where the old toilet block was. But that does look like it could be the old toilet block.
Privacy?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, maybe we are right. You never know what members of the history you're going to come across. From some very dark, interesting characters.
Hi.
Oh yeah, there's one. It's clues that this was in fact the gunpowder place. Oh look, there's one. Apparently as well, somewhere around here, after it was a gunpowder factory, it became a granite quarry. And
I found it.
that was then flooded. One of the tales of ghostly apparitions was apparently there's been a girl seen wearing a white robe just floating over the water. Now all I see is a teenage boy just staring into it. Probably hard to tell, but that is water. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Yeah, so it's, what you see is, there's times I've been up here where the reflection is just as clear in the water and it looks very strange.
It looks like the upside down.
Yeah, I have seen strange things. Oh, look, there's an old fireplace there, look. There's what's remaining of the chimney. So there is a better view of the quarry.
I don't want to go swimming in that.
Yeah. You come out a bit of a fun guy.
Let's see if I can get a better view.
Careful.
I will be. See, I'm still young enough to do stuff like this. That's why you got me here.
Yeah, alright. You don't need to rub it in. I'm the king of the castle. Hi.
Huh?
Yeah.
I can't hear a word you're saying over the
It's
water.
because of the water.
Huh?
Yeah, there's water.
I can hear you. What? I can't hear a word you're saying.
Sorry?
Oh.
I'm going to play poo sticks. Tom.
What?
There's a doggy in the water. Because apparently this place was run through water wheels. And so this river going down was run off into different leaks. And the reason they did that is because it was a gunpowder factory. And I don't think it would have been a wise choice to have a steam engine. Especially if they put the gunpowder pile next to the coal pile. Yeah. Boom, boom. I have been here before, as I said. And I know this bit around here can be a bit slippy and a bit treacherous. And it's not wise or sensible to go into places where it could be dangerous. Oh, speak of that. I don't know, push it. Now, I've seen a picture of this one. And it looks like a ghostly head looking out the wheel on the picture, and I've not been able to find it ever since. Yeah.
Because now you
So
have
that's
to
the
find
old-
it to put it in the video. I found out why it doesn't work.
Why doesn't it work?
There's no water.
There's no water. Somebody
It's all
turned the
dry.
tap off.
Switch it back on somewhere.
Oh yeah. Wheel's a bit bent.
Can't say that nowadays.
Hey, where you go?
I'm wandering.
No, yeah, be careful.
Huh?
Be careful.
I will.
Can you hear me?
Huh?
I said, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't hear you.
What?
What?
I didn't say anything.
I thought you said something.
You come all the way back up here just so you could...
Oh, that's just because you can't get down there.
What are you trying to say?
You're old.
You've got a point. Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo?
There's a butterfly.
What are you doing in there?
Huh?
What are you doing in there?
I'm browsing.
Ah.
Hey. Cut that, please.
Steeped in history. Not him. Yeah. Yet another abandoned building. Yet more graffiti. Who's that trip-trapping on my bridge? I don't think I'm going down there. He did. But then he is, as I said, like a gazelle. How did he get there? More abandoned buildings. Yeah.
Turn it off. You ruined it.
How many is there? The next minute is gone. Oh, hang on. How did he get there?
She's loving it here.
It really is quite pretty down here.
Oh, thank you.
It's in the genetics.
Yeah, yeah. You coming? Hello.
Hey! You just keep doing that. Whoa, see what I mean about the gazelle.
Hey.
Children, don't try this at home. It's only for people who know what they're doing and idiots. I'll let you make your mind up which he is.
I lost my earpiece.
Beautiful. It is very mysterious, this place. I wouldn't say it's got an eerie feeling, but I think the mixture of the buildings covered in the moss, trees. What? Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, the buildings, trees, and it's like nature has taken back what man built. Really not sure where he's gone now. He's done yet another runner. He just suddenly keeps disappearing.
I came back round the other way.
There he is.
Hello. You're always one step behind. You used to tell me as a kid money doesn't grow on trees. You're lying.
Every single place you go where there's woodland, you always see this thing. Behind me. Now what? Yeah. Still haven't seen any dark shadows yet, or dark shadowy figures walking around. I've seen one with a white baseball cap on. There it is.
It is a stunning place. Flies are done.
So, that was Kennall Vale. What do you think, Tom?
It was alright. I don't think it's haunted.
No, it's quite mysterious though, isn't it?
It's a beautiful place.
It is.
Little robin on the tree.
Yes, I mean, it's not that difficult to find this place if anybody's looking for it. It's somewhere between near Truro, Camborne, Redruth, Ponsanooth, Falmouth, Penryn. Yeah, so, it should be easy enough to find.
Narrows it down a bit.
Yeah. But now, if you look on Google Earth, Google Maps, Waze, whatever you do, look for Kennall Vale Nature Reserve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.